Hello trader, in this video I'm going to show you a really simple system but very efficient. If you got difficulties in finding your edge, you definitely will find it over here. In just a few minutes I'll show you how to do that. Let's start the rock and roll. The simple system, very simple, consists of one single indicator. I'll show this indicator is standard indicator MT4. It's called Ichimoku, but indicator is simple, but it's got a special settings which I found myself as very efficient. So we do it that way. First, what we do, we put the standard Ichimoku over here, as you see. The second thing we have to do, we have to get rid of all those lines, blue, red, green, and we leave only that funny dashed clouds of Ichimoku. So we do it in that way. You can right click over here, go to indicators list, mark Ichimoku, edit, go to colors, red make known, as well as blue make known. What else we've got there? There is still the green line. Is it green? Let's make it known, and let's make it okay and close. Here we go. That's the first part of the business. The second one, during this video I'll tell you somewhere what the settings are, so stay and listen carefully, because I will tell at the end of this video what are the settings. I got already prepared here the chart with the settings done previously, and the system looks like that. So the story goes that as soon as the market crosses above the cloud, like here, we buy. So you buy here, put stop loss somewhere here, and wait till you get your profit between 1 to 1 and up to 5 to 1, whatever. Obviously you have to use trailing stop. So we buy here, put stop loss here, and we are waiting till the price goes further. Here is the same story. The price crossed below the cloud, we sell it, we put stop loss over here, and that's it. That's all the story at the beginning. If happens situation like this one, when the price went over the cloud too high, how much is it? How many pips is there? It's huge candle, it's 50 and something pips. And guys, this one is working on H1. So, well, it works as well on the bigger time frames, but I found out on H1 is the best time frame for this system. So, coming back to what I'm saying before, if the candle which crosses above or below is too long, just don't get in. For the simple fact that this probably, that big movement was caused by the news or whatever happened, or broker mistake somewhere in a dealing room somewhere, like it happened, I don't remember, 2012 I think, when market collapsed for 20 minutes. So we don't buy here. The second thing you should look for is the wicks on the candles. When you see the huge wick like here, is pretty big. It means for me at least, that is a pressure, a selling pressure. Look at this price right here. The selling pressure is pretty big. The prices went very high. This week is, well, it's 20 pips, 16 pips for 1 hour candles is quite a lot, because 16 pips candles are already big enough. Those small ones, they've got 7-8 pips over here. So such a big wick, that's the sign that there is a pressure, selling pressure somewhere here. as you could see here. Yeah, there was the price somewhere. Bulls tried to push the market up, but they didn't manage, and the market collapsed. So here we should sell over here, and the stop loss should be somewhere there. So that's how it works. And back here, the candle went up. We put the stop loss here, and we wait till the price goes up. Obviously, we have to move to the break even after the price move in our direction. We move the stop loss to break even to not lose the trade. And as you can see, so many opportunities. I'll share some of them. This is one, for example. This is the second one over here. This is a selling signal. This is a buying signal. This is the selling here again. You got another one here. Here is something like not very likely. The price didn't close above the cloud, and the cloud is still in decline. Now we got another selling signal. We got buying signal over here. We got selling signal, fake one. This is the losing one. This one. This is a buying one. It's losing again. This is selling one. But when you catch a trend like this one over here, just a couple of days ago, so one trend pays you all. I will recommend you at the end of this video, I recommend you very nice song of Etsy Kota, very known investor. Maybe I'll show you right now a bit of it, and I put you a link just below this video.
We hope that you enjoy the show. You get a whipping, I get a saw, honey. You get a whipping, I get a saw, baby. You get a whipping, I get a saw. One good trend pays for them all, honey trader, baby mine. Now what do we do when we catch a trend, honey? What do we do when we catch a trend, baby? Well, what do we do when we catch a trend? We ride that trend right to the end, honey trader, baby mine. So you get a whipping.
So as you see, the system is very, very simple, nothing special. You can do it. If you got the problem with the edge, just use it, and I can assure you it's got over 80% efficiency. I mean, 8 out of 10 transactions are the winning ones. Just set up your return ratio 2:1 or 2.5 to 1, 1/2 to 1, and that's it. And long term you will make very good money. And when you become a millionaire, don't forget to invite me for a beer. So if you like this video, just give me a like and subscribe to not miss the next videos I'm placing on YouTube, especially those regarding W-gun techniques of trading. And let the green peeps be with you. See you next time. Bye bye. And the most important, I already forgotten, the settings for the indicator. Instead of what was that? What was that? Just let me have a look. Okay, Ichimoku, edit. Settings. We've got inputs. Instead of 9, you put 3. Instead of 26, you put 6. In the place of 52, you put 9. So you got 3, 6, and 9. That's it. Green peeps.